Simplest task in every programming language is sum of two numbers. Now I perform sum of two numbers using function. For this, I declare a function named sum with def keyword. I use return statement, return x plus y, same as in C or C++. Here is our main section. I use function int and input. Input function is used to enter the value at a runtime. And int function convert it to the integer. For example, if we enter 10 and 20, it will treat as string. So we use int function. Enter number 1, enter number 2. If we perform a sum of 10 and 20, it will display 1020, means 1020. It will concatenate it. That's why we are using int function. Now I call the function sum with a and b. Return x plus y means function return the value to the c. So I display the value of c in our main section with the little bit ornamentation. For example, sum of a. So a is integer, sum of is string. We use comma between them. Now again, and is string. We also use comma. Every time we use comma for separating integer to integer and strings. Now I run this code. Before running, it must be saved. Not worry, Python will take care of it. Source must be saved. Okay. Any name, any location. First choose location and choose any name and click on the save, and you will see the output. Now see the output. Now look. Enter number 1 is a message given in the input, and I enter, for example, 45. It will initialize to a. I enter 5. Now display output. Sum of a means 45 and b 5 is 50. So this is our output of our code. Sum of 45 and 5 is 50. Now I make little changes to my code. I use z is equal to x plus y and return z. So there is no difference between previous code and this code. Instead, one extra variable. It will take extra memory a little bit. So enter number 1 45, enter number 2 45. Sum of 45 and 45 is 90. Output is same. So let's move further. Function which returns a value is called non-void function, and function that return nothing are called void type. So I remove return statement and print sum of x and y is z. So this is void function, means this function returns nothing. But see the calling, it will give you a surprise. If I give this calling in C, C++, it will give error, but in Python it doesn't. Now see the output. Enter number 1, any number 45, any number 5. Sum of 45 and 5 is 50. This is okay, but in next line, sum of 45 and 5 is none. N capital, N-O-N-E. So if the function is void type, means returns nothing, it will return legal empty value that is called none. In Python, it will return none. Now I make correction in my code. Sum a comma b. Run this module. Now see the output. 45 and 5. Sum of 45 and 5 is 50. So this is a correct way to calling a void type function. Otherwise, it will return none. There is no syntax error. It will return none. Legal empty value none. So friends, hope you understand. Now let's move further. Unlike other languages like C, C++, Python can return multiple values. Yes, Python can return multiple values. Return x plus y, x minus y, and x into y. So I change the function name. This is not a sum. Now it is a subtraction. Yeah, sum, subtraction, and multiplication. I give a name SSM. You can give any name, ABC, sum, any name. I give name SSM. So now 3 values will be returned. So how 3 values can store in a single variable C? Friends, this is the beauty of a Python. C is tuple. Remember, Python treats C as a tuple. So now I print the value of C. I remove the message sum of A and B. Now, appropriate message is addition, subtraction, and multiplication, because our function SSM perform all three tasks: sum, addition, and multiplication. So I give appropriate message: addition, subtraction, and multiplication of A and B is C. Friend, C is tuple. C can hold three values: C0, C1, C2. You can watch my site, you can explore my site, you can explore my channel for more videos. Now, see the output. I run this code. Now, enter number 1. I enter 10, enter number 2, I enter 5. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication is 15, 5, and 15. I add 10 or 5, it is 15. I subtract 10 from the 5, it is 5. I multiply 10 by 5 is 50. So friends, this is my result. Remember, C is tuple. For better understand, you must know about the flow of execution. Means how the function can perform, means what is the sequence of this code. So I assigned a line number, line 1, line 2, line 3, line 4, and line up to 6. So now friends, see, if I run this code, what is output? 10, 5. Addition, subtraction, and multiplication is 15, 5, and 50. 10 or 5 key. Now execution. First it will execute line number 1. It will read, interpreter will read SSM x comma y, means function can be present in the code. Now line number 3, enter number 1, line number 4, enter number 2, then it execute line number 5. Now I call my function, it will jump to the line number 1 and line number 2, again value return to the line number 5 and line number 6. Hope you understand. Take care. Bye bye.